Captain, fire discovered in the engine room workshop. Smoke is spreading rapidly.
Bridge to master. Fire reported in the engine room workshop. Heavy smoke observed.
Understood. Sound the general alarm, master. Fire party immediately. Chief engineer, proceed with firefighting.
Chief Engineer here. Fire team responding now. Fire pumps running. Boundary cooling in progress.
Fire hoses connected. Fire team entering with breathing apparatus.
Master, fire is not under control. Fire is spreading near fuel lines. We cannot extinguish it safely.
Captain, fire team retreating due to intense heat and smoke.
Understood. Fire cannot be controlled. I am deciding to abandon the ship. OOW, prepare the broadcast distress message immediately. All crew to abandon ship station. I repeat, all crew to abandon ship station.
Roger, Captain. Broadcasting distress now. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This MV Ocean Star. Position 14 degrees 32 minutes north. 120 degrees 45 minutes east. Fire on board. Fire out of control. We are abandoning ship. 6 persons on board. Required immediate assistance. Over.
Lifeboats lowered. Crew embarking now.
All crew abandon vessel. Bring EPIRB and emergency supplies. All crew abandon vessel. Bring EPIRB and emergency supply.
Captain, steering alarm disactivated on the steering console.
OOW, check the steering immediately. I repeat, OOW, check the steering immediately.
Chief Engineer here. Checking steering motors now. Captain, both steering motors are broken. Steering cannot be stored. Recommend anchoring immediately to avoid collision.
Understood, OOW. Prepare to broadcast urgency message. Warn all vessels in the vicinity to keep clear.
Roger. Captain, broadcasting urgency now. Panpan, panpan, panpan. All station, all station, all station. This MV Ocean Star. Position 15 degrees 10 minutes north. 121 degrees 10 minutes east. We have steering failure and they're not under command. Vessel in the vicinity are requested to give way. Over.
Traffic observed on radar, altering course away from us.
Very good. Stand by anchor station and continue monitoring traffic.
Captain, floating container side, 2 birds of the starboard bow.
Checking with binoculars and radar now. Visual confirmed. Radar echo detected. Floating container ahead. Captain, floating container confirmed hazard to navigation.
Take the position of the container. Broadcast a safety message on channel 12. I repeat, take the position of the container. Broadcast safety a message on channel 12.
Roger, Captain. Security, security, security. All vessel, all vessel, all vessel. This MV Ocean Star floating container reported at position 16 degrees 05 minutes north, 120 degrees 55 minutes east. Hazard to navigation. Vessel are advised to proceed with caution. Over.
Container passing clear on starboard side now.
Good work. Maintain safety watch and continue monitoring.